what effect does the color red have on testosterone levels in men? In this video, what I'm going to do is take a look at how certain colors can influence our hormonal secretions. So for those of you who are brand new to my channel, my name is Lucas, the founder of Ergogenic Health, and my mission is to bring you the most cutting edge health information that you'll struggle to find on Google. So please do me a favor and like this video and hit subscribe if you haven't already. So have you ever wondered what influence your perceptual environment has on your hormonal levels? Now, we all know that we must be avoiding and or blocking out blue to green spectrums of light in the evening to enhance melatonin synthesis. This is one of the reasons why many people swear by the benefits, including myself, of wearing blue blocking glasses before bed, because that helps to increase melatonin production and therefore strengthen sleep. However, in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how certain colors can affect testosterone levels in men. So this study here was really fascinating, and it was titled "Prenatal Exposure to Blue and Green Colors Increases Serum Testosterone Levels in Male Offspring Rats." Now, obviously this is a rat study, and so whether or not this would translate to humans is questionable. However, I did find this particular research article pretty fascinating to see how specific colors can alter testosterone production in these particular male offspring rats. Just taking a look at the study itself, there are many studies indicating that prenatal condition influences offspring different behaviors. Now, in this study, researchers investigated the effect of prenatal exposure to different colors on variations of serum testosterone levels in adult male offspring rats. 4 groups of pregnant female Wistar rats, 7 rats in each group were enrolled in this particular study. Now, the pregnant rats were placed in color chambers including green, blue, black, and white. Now, after delivery, male offspring of all color groups transferred to clean chambers until the age of 8 to 9 weeks, and their serum testosterone concentration were measured. The serum testosterone levels were significantly higher in adult male offspring who were prenatally exposed to blue and green color compared to male offsprings who were prenatally exposed to black and white colors. Now, whether or not, again, this translates into humans or we can extrapolate this data and apply it to humans is questionable. However, I personally find this particular research very fascinating, and it may influence the way in which certain parents decide to live their lives. Perhaps they want to live in a more blue-green environment. Maybe they want to specifically choose to live in a house that has blue-green walls, although that would look absolutely disgusting. This is pretty interesting nonetheless. So, is red the alpha color? Now, this second study that I want to look at basically was titled "Wearing Colored Glasses Can Influence Exercise Performance and Testosterone Concentration." This study here was looking at the perception of red color, how it's specifically associated with higher testosterone concentration and better human performance. Now, this study here is the first to test the acute effects of wearing glasses with colored lenses on high-intensity intermittent exercise performance and metabolic responses. It is also the only study to explore the effect of colors on exercise performance while controlling for ambient illuminance and recovery status of the participants. Now, the main findings of this particular study was that the colored lenses did not influence the yo-yo performance, like the actual exercise performance. However, the red lensed condition showed increased blood levels of testosterone. They found that the red color lenses basically resulted in an increase in blood testosterone concentration post-test, advancing the understanding of the previous research associated wearing red with better performance or active choice of red with higher basal testosterone levels. In summary, these results suggest that wearing red colored lenses during high intensity intermittent exercise increases testosterone concentration after the session, and blue color seems to increase parasympathetic activity improving heart rate recovery. This is quite interesting in particular, and the thing that I associate this now with those athletes that tend to wear those sports glasses. It would be funny if, in the future after this video is released, if we see, men driving to the gym with an ice pack on their nuts underneath their balls, wearing these red lensed glasses, and then even wearing these red glasses during their workout to maximize testosterone production. This would be pretty hilarious to see. Although if somebody were to go up to the guy and ask him, like, why are you wearing these red glasses in the gym, he can just come back and say, well, boost your biology. I watched this video on YouTube and he spoke about how wearing red colored glasses can boost testosterone production. So this is pretty funny research if you ask me. Again, it's just another reminder to consider all facets of the human experience and how not only does like mold exposure, heavy metal toxicity, plastics, not only do these things affect hormonal status, but also how our environment and our perception of our environment can basically affect our hormonal secretion. Now, I also want to highlight this sort of interesting side point that boosting testosterone makes men prefer high status products. Now, this would probably make sense to a lot of people already, why men that have high testosterone maybe prefer to drive a Ferrari. But in summary, status symbols like a luxury car or brand name denim may not function any better than their lower status counterparts, but they do convey a message about the owner's position on the social ladder. A new study found that a single dose of testosterone was enough to boost men's preference for high status goods, pointing to a biological basis for consumer behavior. This research has all been really fascinating for me. Hopefully you found it, quite insightful. Again, if you want to boost your testosterone levels, be sure to check out the links in the video description down below. I have some really incredible testosterone optimization resources for those men that sort of want to stay natty. So otherwise, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.